Okay, here we go. So we're in Florence Court, Wimbledon Park Road. That's the living room. You got the hallway just over here with the kitchen down there, bathroom in there, and the bedroom. Such a nice place. Great part of town, right near to Southside Shopping Centre. Yeah, how big is this living room? It's awesome. A nice view out all the different windows in the place. How cool is that? Decent ceiling heights, nice wooden flooring. Very, very nice space. And then I'll show you the hallway. Not a bad space at all. You can put some things there for some storage. And check this kitchen out. Such a nice leafy aspect out the back here. Yeah, decent sized kitchen. Can move about comfortably in here, which is good. Good storage space. The washing machine. Nice Indesit fridge freezer. Gas hob. An electric oven. And the extractor. Yeah, good cupboard space in here. Here's the boiler. So it'll be gas central heating. Coat rack. Really, really nice sized bedroom actually. Built-in cupboards. Loads of space here as well. Same view as one of the windows in the living room. Yeah, it's a very good space. Comfortably fits a double bed in here. Cool, let's check the bathroom out. These guys have made very, very good use of the space, as you can see. Yeah, fully tiled. A central bath, central shower unit, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, decent bathroom. Let's check the living room out again. And I'll show you the outside if I can as well. But yeah, very nice space. Awesome apartment. If you like the look of the place, feel free to give us a call anytime. All our details should be wherever you found this video or advert. We work 7 days a week, so we'll happily answer any questions you have and arrange a viewing for you. Look forward to speaking to you very soon. Take care.